Hey guys, welcome back to a new tutorial video. In this video I will show you how to edit black and white filter on your image using Lightroom Mobile. There are some example photos before and after using this filter. So guys, without wasting your time, let's jump to the tutorial. First go to Light. Bring the exposure minus 0.24. Bring the contrast plus 26. Highlights minus 6. Shadows plus 52. Blacks minus 40. Go to Curve. Follow these settings. And go to Color. Bring the temp minus 9. And click on B&W. Go to Color Mix. First go to Red color. And bring the luminance minus 11. Next go to Orange. Bring the luminance minus 20. Go to Yellow. Bring the luminance minus 24. Next go to Green. Bring the luminance minus 27. Go to Sky Blue. Bring the luminance minus 16. Next go to Blue. Bring the luminance plus 13. Go to Purple. Bring the luminance plus 17. Next go to Pink. Bring the luminance plus 4. And done. Next go to Effects. Bring the clarity minus 14. Vintage minus 12. Bring the midpoint plus 57. Grain amount plus 13. Roughness plus 21. Go to Split Tone. And bring the hue to plus 67. And saturation plus 23. For highlights. And bring the hue to plus 40. And saturation plus 12. For shadows. And done. Now go to details. Sharpening 25. Masking 14. Noise reduction 12. Contrast 24. Color noise reduction 35. And done. Now your pic is ready to upload. Now let's try to copy this preset and pass to another picture. Copy settings and paste it. If you like this preset, you can also download this preset from the description. And thanks for watching this video. Like, share and subscribe iSnap for more photography tutorial. See you next time. Have a great day.